I am so happy that I got LeafFilter, because for 20 years I've had a terrible clogged drain on my screen-in porch where we take our meals morning and evening. I'm from Florida. My name is Elizabeth, and I've had terrible flooding problems on my screened-in porch, which is nice and accommodates family and so forth. So I finally bit the bullet, as they say, and got LeafFilter, and they came within, I think it was a day or two, or very soon, and a wonderful clean-cut guy came here and knew exactly what he was doing, and got on the ladder, and it was installed in what seemed to me like minutes. And we have had no flooding since, and we do get very heavy rain here in Florida. And one of the joys of being here is being on our screened-in porches, and now I'm enjoying it tremendously. Also, there's nothing outside that has to be cleaned up, and I don't pay anybody to get on a ladder anymore to clean my gutters. So I'm very fortunate. Thank you.